Hello, today I'm going to explain session number 2 of literacy. We are in week 11, we are studying actions, verbs and simple present. So the first activity to do today to review the verbs and the simple present is to play two different games. You remember that you have to copy the link of the instructions and paste here, okay? This is the first game, present simple tense hangman. Do you know this game? You need to guess the verb that is going to appear here. You have the sentence, okay? Most people usually, their swimsuits to the beach. And here you have the verb. So you need to press the different letters. The verb doesn't have F. But it has got B. So once that you have guessed the verb, it will appear here and you will get the point. But if not, you will lose. You will have to start again. The second game is to review the interrogative tense of present simple. You know that you have to complete with do or does. Okay, I have done this example. Number 1 is, do you like chocolate? So between do or does, which one is it? It's very important that you have a look here to the personal pronouns, because he, she, or it are special. Do you remember? And the special ones go with does. So taking giving attention to that, to the personal pronouns, you will complete this properly, and then you can check your answers. You have to complete it with your computer. Okay. If we continue here in activity 2, it says that we have to open our literacy book on page 152. We are going to copy this, we are learning to, and I'm going to explain. So you write the date, you write that we are learning to, actions, verbs, present simple, and you have 10 different photos with 10 different verbs. In the instructions here, there is a mistake, an error, because it says write 10 sentences using the present simple. It's not continuous, no, crisscross. And we write simple, okay, simple, in any form, affirmative, negative, and interrogative. So you have to look, for example, I'm going to give you the answer for number 1. And it says in affirmative, in negative, and interrogative. So you can choose. Okay, and in this one, I'm going to choose interrogative. Okay, and I'm going to say, does he pull the rope properly? For example, okay, and question mark at the end. Or in the second, I'm going to use affirmative. And I say, I push the wardrobe, or I push the box, or I push the door, okay? For example, you can create different examples with different personal pronouns, and you have to complete with these verbs. Be careful with it if you use he, she, or it, okay? In negative and in interrogative, careful because it's different, you remember. And 10 examples. 1 example for each verb, in affirmative, in negative, or in interrogative, you choose. In fact, I think that here I have said, I recommend, okay, that you have different sentences, not all of them affirmative or not all of them negative, okay? Once that you have finished, you have to take a photo and send it to Gustavo in year 3A and 3B and to me in year 3C, okay? And this is the end of lesson number 2 of literacy. Bye-bye.